In the world we live in today, our workforce is driven by 5 powerful fields: science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics, together known as STEAM. STEAM is at the heart of innovation, from groundbreaking discoveries in science to the tech revolution happening in our industries. STEAM drives progress in every sector.
This is an investment of $830,000 from the federal government with $250,000 from the local council here in Lithgow. It's about creating the skills that are needed, putting all that together, creating a head of STEAM for the future. That's what this is all about. A leap into the future and the jobs of the future, right in the heart of Lithgow.
That's why the Lithgow Emerging Economy Plan has initiated a unique STEAM Uplift pilot program for our local primary and secondary schools, designed specifically for the Lithgow region and run through the Central West Adaptive Skills Hub.
STEAM education is crucial for our leaders of tomorrow, and we're very lucky to have the primary program, which will be happening across the Lithgow network, to set up our students for the future.
STEAM's how I start off my week. It's something I look forward to every week. I become more adaptable and resilient through STEAM.
The STEAM skills that we're learning here today are super useful for kids as they enter industry. This now enables them to adapt to the rapid changes in the workforce and become better skilled in their future careers.
Our kids will be employed in workplaces and roles which are very different from those that we grew up in. People will go from having one profession to several in their working life, perhaps entirely different roles in entirely different industries. STEAM subjects are key to unlocking tomorrow's potential.
Automation and globalisation are changing the way we perceive careers. Businesses will rely on creative thinkers who understand complex systems, harness data, and engineer solutions that shape tomorrow's future.
Jobs and industries are evolving. This STEAM initiative will provide students with innovative and real-world life skills like critical thinking, collaboration, and problem solving.
I've taken the NASA iSTEAM course, and we've created a bespoke drone piloting program. Students will be learning to build, code, program, and fly drones.
STEAM provides me with opportunities I thought I'd never see in my schooling career. When I chose STEAM as an elective, I didn't think I'd be programming drones. I am very grateful, and I'm sure all the other students participating in the LEEP program are grateful for the opportunities here at Lithgow. I'm sure that the LEEP program will continue to help people like me enter careers in technology and engineering and make our impact on the world.